everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to ask the price in China. Okay, so there are a few new words that we're going to learn for today's lesson. Okay, so first one is you want to try to say this one. So this is 这, and this one it is we use a measure word as 个. This is a general measure word, and I will write here for you to know when to use measure words. And after this, it is one of the way. Okay, so 这个 means this one. So for example, I say 这个杯子. So 杯子 it means cup. So 这个杯子 this cup. Okay, so next one. When you want to say how much, you can say 多少. Actually, literally 多 I means a lot. So for a big quantity. 少 I means for a less, like not so much the quantity. So it's very less. So 多少 you want to ask like, is it much or is it less? And then this is how much. So 多 when it's in a question together with 多少 it also means how. So how much? 多少. Okay, so next one, money, which is 钱. So if you want to ask how much money, and that will be 多少钱. Okay, so 多少钱. Very good. So now let's continue to put everything that we learned in one sentence. So this cup, how much? It would be 这个杯子多少钱? 这个杯子多少钱? So for the cup here, this place you can substitute with a lot of different words that you want to ask. For example, like this cake. So 蛋糕, or this apple, 苹果, or water, 水, or orange juice, 橙汁. Okay? So for this is a really easy line to ask how much is it, and when you hear the answer, they will say a number, which is the price, and then they will say two ways. First one, yuan. This is the Chinese currency, it's like dollar, euro in China, it is called yuan. So this is a normal way to say that. Another way is like quite in the oral content, which is 块. Okay, so if you have watched my video about learning the numbers, then you can know I will answer you to this question. Like I will say 20 yuan, which is 20 yuan. Or I will say it in a more like in the oral way, which is 20 块. Okay, so I hope you get this line. So how much is it? And you will also understand the answer back to you. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this lesson. And if you have any further questions, please leave me a comment down below. I will try to answer to you as soon as I see it. Okay, so see you next time. Bye!